Hello, global fans of Tip Token. I'm Minu Garcia, the North American community initiator of Tip Token. I'm very happy to meet all of you early supporters of Tip Token on YouTube. On the 24th of this month, we launched the official website of the Tip Token. At the same time, a special pre-sale dedicated to Tip Token has also been opened. The first 30% of the tokens in a pre-sale will be held within 18 hours. We can foresee that tip will become the mainstream product of internet tipping culture in the future, and we will suppress Dogecoin to enter the mainstream market. The Telegram group and Twitter are also very hot recently, and the global consensus community and Tip Token headquarters are also looking forward to launch of this tip. In this live broadcast, I will announce the layout and planning of the Tip Token ecosystem and the latest market progress. At the same time, I will further explain the later planning of Tip Token. I hope that fans around the world can have a deeper understanding of the value of our Tip Token in this live broadcast. We also believe that the future belongs to Tip and to all members and friends. So what is Tip Token? Tip is a community-driven and fairly issued meme token. It has no team distribution and 100% decentralized fund pool. No one owns the contract key. Tip aims to establish a DEFI protocol to redistribute wealth, which will transfer money from impatient people to patient people. BSC-based smart contracts for various types of tasks which will execute using Tip tokens. People worldwide can benefit by adopting the Tip market model as a mechanism for commerce, as it makes it easy for tip makers and tip players to connect and interact with a significantly reduced transaction cost. Tip makers who post tasks in the Tip Play app are required to pay for their post in Tip tokens, while tip players who are users of the apps are rewarded in bold for performing tasks. With the launch of the Tip Play, tip players now have the option to minimize their earned bolts with the Tip tokens. Tip players can then become tip makers by paying with the Tip tokens to post tasks on the platform. The introduction of the blockchain to the Tip Play applications marks the first step in the evolution to the entire decentralized task market. Envisioned by TipX, the Tip market will function like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, in that it will act as a platform where tip makers and tip players can create and accept tasks using smart contracts and pay with Tip tokens. TipX aims to make the Tip marketplace platform that performs various types of tasks through a combination of Tip apps and other proprietary software tools and applications, and smart contracts based on Binance Smart Chain, which will use Tip tokens implement. People around the world can benefit by adopting the Tip market model as a mechanism for ARC, as it allows tip makers and tip participants to easily connect and interact and significantly reduce transaction cost. Issuance of Tip coin. Issuing mechanism. Tip is a token on Binance Smart Chain with a money impressive future. It's the first token to adopt a black hole design for floating fees, which can drastically reduce the total supply in circulation. Total issuance is 100 trillion pieces. The initial transactions or the transactions fee is 50%, and every 10% burned, it will be reduced by 1.5% with a minimum of 5%. We can check the current transactions fee on TIP's official website, where 70% of which would be automatically burned, and the remaining 30% will be distributed in the transactions wallet every 100 million automatic sales. It is used for the promotion and operation of the later TIP projects. At the same time, TIP token has passed the contract audit of Critic, the world's most well-known auditing agency in the terms of contract security. You can rest assured that it will give TIP ecology a lasting empowerment at the technical level. In the future, TIP token will explore more community games, introduce a complete fan economy, expand the scope of the TIP use, and promote the price of TIP through constant consensus charts and quantity burning mechanism. Introduce the NFT exclusive to the TIP ecosystem to empower all the fan economy. The initial pre-sale of TIP has been completed, and the original 3 days pre-sale has completed in just 18 hours. The popularity of the global market will inevitably lead to the continuous increase in the value of TIP. TIP homepage, official website introduction. We can enter the official website of TIP through the official domain name of the website. So I will show you right now how. And now here you can find the official website where you can operate and check all the information you need. In the home website, we can enter in the official website of TIP through the official domain name. And the January 26th of 2022, the initial liquidity of the TIP has been added on PancakeSwap, where you can just find it from here. By clicking here, you will see all the information you would need through the PancakeSwap, and you can enter the PancakeSwap to trade tokens through the official website link. On the first day of the launch, TIP rose by 500%. The price continued to rise, and the continuous increase in the number of global fans opened a good ecological construction for TIP. At the same time, the initial liquidity pool of TIP has been locked. It can be seen that 100% of the initial liquidity LB has been locked in bank sale, and the lockout period is 5 years. Lockout content can be viewed by our official Twitter or through the website, where you can just simply click here and you can operate all the information you need. TIP contracts tokens have all been open source without any additional backdoors and have passed the Ciritix contracts audits, make it truly safe and risk-free. And here, by clicking on here, you would find all the information you need for the Ciritix. As the website shows, everything is simply designed The various fund pools planned in the first phase have also been announced on the official website, which is convenient for global fans to monitor together. As of now, tokens have been deflated, and the continuous quantitative deflation will push the price up again. If you want to know more details, planning, and operation mechanism of TIP, you can simply download our detailed version file introduction or join our Telegram for global discussions. As you get the total conversation here, remaining totals, and all other information you might need, all designed on this website simply and able to view it very freely. We'll talk about future development now. For the future development plan, with the gradual improvement of TIP ecosystem, we will launch the second phase of the project voting plan on the official website. We will consider the ecological development of TIP tokens, the construction of LB pools, and global promotion, and send out important tokens for the second phase of the TIP ecosystem. Look forward to our rapid increase in wealth on TIP. Thank you for your time.